severe thunderstorm warning for Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, west central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sinking Spring, or near Reading, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Pottstown, Stoningsville, Wyomissing, Birdsboro, Collegeville, Royersford, Hamburg, Fleetwood, Sinking Spring, Laurelville, Trapp, Wilmington, Wintersville, Robisonia, Leesport, Schwenksville, Shoemakersville, Elverson, and Edwardville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 295 and 325. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 21 and 30. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe